Evening to everyone. My name is Kaliswaran Nakishankar. My metric number is 33DPE20F 2017. My group member is Nireshan Aliki Kumar, Ganesha Alakisiva, and one Aziz Izzuddin. So today our group want to present about filtration equipment, which is subject is unit operation. Our lecturer is Nur Fariha binti Adnan. We are came from Polytechnic Tunshat Nasir Syed Ismail. So today we are going to talk about filtration equipment, which is plate and frame press. We are include in this topic is introduction, objective of the filtration process, working principle of chosen equipment, application, describe on efficiency and safety of the equipment, observation of water before and after passage through the filter medium, and advantage and disadvantage of the plate and frame press. And the final is conclusion. Plate and frame press. So this is the example of plate and frame press. We can see the plates, cloth, frame and manifold piping valves. The introduction is the plate frame filter press is the most traditional filter press type. Actually, it uses for plate and frame installed alternately on the filter press structure. For this filter press type, today is mainly used for the fine filtration. The first example is for the plate frame filter press. The hollow frames are put between two plates to form a filter chamber. Generally for the filter press, the filter medium is the filter cloth, but for the plate frame filter press, the filter plate is flat, so beside the filter cloth it can also use the filter paper to realize the filtration or even ultrafiltration. The second example is the plate frame filter press cannot bear the higher filtering pressure because of no supporting points as chamber filter plates, and it only can discharge cakes manually. So the model normally is not very big. The max filter plate size is 1 meter. It's mainly for the laboratory and fine chemical industries. The third example is our plate frame filter press has various closing types. For example, manual jack, manual hydraulic, electrical hydraulic, and etc. And plate frame material can be customized according to your material demands, such as stainless steel or the cast iron materials. So the older filter plate design and the predecessor to recessed plates, which is the plate and frame filter press, consists of chamber which is formed by a flat plate on each side of a frame whereby cake is collected in the frame. A mechanical device which is specially used in solid liquid separation using a principle of pressure driven, which is provided by a slurry pump plate and frame filter plates, are usually used for polishing application where filtration area is more important than volume. The principle behind a plate and frame press is filtration. The filtration is the separation of solid from a fluid by means of porous medium that retains the solid but allows the fluid to pass.
My name is Nireshwin and my metric card number is 33 DPE 20F 2010. So, the objective of the filtration process. Separating solids from liquids and gases in the main object is the main objective of filtrations. To remove contaminant particles from dispersing fluid so that it can be recovered. By recovering the dispersing fluid, solid particles can be recovered. So, solvent and solids must be a high quality. Particle can be removed from the air to enable pharmaceutically useful gases to be purified. Then second is separating out solids from liquids, removing impurities and suspended solids from industrial wastewater that allow plant manager to easily handle and dispose the waste and by returning clean water to the system.
Hello, my name is Ganeshan, son of Shiva. My metric number is 33 DPE 20F 2021. Today, I want to present about working principle of chosen equipment. Our equipment name is plate and frame press. The main part of plate and frame filter press is a set of filter chamber consists by filter plates and filter frames in alternating order. When working, the slurry will be transferred by feeding pump from the feeding hole on the press plate of all the chamber. Under the pressure of feeding pump, solid particles in the slurry will be trapped into the filter chamber and form into filter cake slowly. Liquid throughout the filter close and come out the hotel holes. Solid and liquid finally be separated after one filtration cycle. As a mature solid, liquid separation equipment, plate and frame filter press is widely used for mining, metallurgy, petroleum, chemical, medicine, textile, printing, paper making, food, alcohol, inorganic salt, coal washing, dyeing, and sewage treatment industry. Then compared to the latter chamber type filter press, plate and frame filter press can use filter cloth and filter paper together. These two filtration mediums can treat the slurry which contain solid size under 1 micron. In addition, the top corner feeding hole way is more suitable for treating big specific gravity materials such as aluminium slurry. Although plate and frame filter press is kind of intermediate filtration equipment, but its simple structure, convenience operation, higher solid control of filter cake after filtration and clear filter liquid, these advantages make it has higher share on market of filtration equipment. Then application of frame filter press. Filter press can be built in a wide range of sizes from small lab scale 150 mm presses to those with much larger capacities such as those with 1050 and 2000 mm filter plates. Filter pressure are used for liquid-solid separation in an extensive range of industry and application, including food and beverage processing, chemical manufacturing, mining, power generation, aggregates, asphalt and cement production, steel mills, and municipal plants.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Wan Hazi Izzuddin Bewan Zumahari. My metric number is 33DPE 20F2006. Okay, today I will present about efficiency and safety of the equipment. Okay, first, workplace safety equipment offer protection against injury to the wearer or user. Most often, safety equipment come in the form of wearable personal protective equipment or PPE. However, some tools have a safer design, making them less likely to cause injuries. Okay, second, workplace may also employ gadgets to help keep their employees safe. These gadgets may register exposure to a dangerous substance or monitor environmental factors like air quality. Okay, next, efficiency. Efficiency equipment effectiveness is a powerful figure. It provides a lot of information in one number, so there are multiple ways to measure and manufacturing productivity. When calculated and interpreted correctly, it can significantly maximize your production. Overall, equipment effectiveness is used as a benchmark to compare any given production to industry standard.
Observation of water before and after passage through the filter medium. Before, the water form will be in the wastewater, which is a combination of liquid and solid, which is called slurry. And then after observation is, in this case, the filter medium is the filter flow. At the filter plate, solid collects on the surface of the media. So it will be filtered and the filter cake will be collected and the water will pass through because it is a smaller particles than the filter flow. The water will be clean and it will be sent to the storage and the filter cake will be disposed. The advantages and disadvantages. The advantages are simple in construction, low first cost, provides large filtering area per unit for flow space occupied, and then most joints are external, so easily to detect the leakage. And then the disadvantages are labor requirements is very high, and then filter cloth is life is relatively short, and then not suitable for high throughputs.
Now, thank you, Nilesh, for your presentation. Now we came for the last session of the presentation. The conclusion for the presentation is the relationship between the concentration of the cake obtained with its weight and volume and how it affects the length of time a certain volume of filtrate is obtained were asked in this experiment. Based on the result, as the concentration of the filtrate increases, the length of time to collect a certain volume of filtrate also increases. Evident on data presented, the relationship between the volume of filtrate versus time per volume of filtrate produces a linear plot having an value of approximately 0.95, which means that the volume of filtrate and the time per volume of filtrate has a linear relationship in which when one increases the other one increases respectively. Thank you guys.